Mitä?
Mitä merkkejä nämä on?
Se on Cadillac 59.
Jaa, se on Cadillac.
Joo. Wolf Cave, which have remainings possible 120,000 years ago, before the last ice age.
The Cadillac motor car, whose supreme quality, inspiring performance, and breathtaking beauty, greatness, is never achieved suddenly.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, Wannabe Overlander, and overlanding with Cadillac 59 in Finland. And today is a new day, and we are heading to south and to the west coast of Finland, and we don't have too much plans. I put one place in my map and let's see what it's gonna be. So it's very nice sun. We took roof open. We have two troubles with our car. The generator light is on and speedometer not working. Need to use my telephone GPS speedometer, and voltage regulator is waiting me in my home post office. Here is a road sign, Susiluola. We are coming to look what is a Susiluola. Okay, this is some very special place. I cannot tell you about geology in English. I'm not very good in English, but something about human living here, human culture here before the ice age. So some people they talk about in Finland now have anything living longer than 10,000 years because ice age. But there is some cave what we are planning to go to see. That's a Susiluola. That's in English Wolf Cave. I show you a little bit this sign here. The bones they rotten and they disappears in Finland ground because it's very, very acidy or something like that. But and here are something what they are found here, some tools, and this is a picture of about this cave, and it was filled up with the ground, and they clear it in 96 and they stop it 2001 because ground get filled with there is a collapse in danger and they have to make some enforcement. And here is English. I don't know if you can see. I can show it slowly. They're talking about something about ice age, what happens here, and here they talking about the species composition suggested to date with the later half of the interglacial that preceded the last glacial period of the ice age. In other words, some 120,000 to 125,000 years ago, after the ices, spruce only reached western Finland in 3005. Oh, this is not about the living, but okay, I just show you like this. So I'm not gonna read this all. And here they're talking about the fact the research results suggest that an age of the 120,000 years of the occupation indicates, however, that they must have represent the Neanderthal man, the species that inhabited Europe and between 300,000 years to 30,000 years ago, before the arrival of modern man. Okay, let's heading to Wolf Cave, Susiluola, and see some remainings of human habitats in Finland 120,000 years ago. Is it possible or not, or is I misunderstanding something about that sign there? But wow, these mushrooms. Is this possible to eat this mushroom? They're looking very nice. Have a little bit climbing here. We leave our car top down, but I hope there's nothing happened. I have to show you about blueberries, how they have here. Wow, and they just dropping down if you touch. Full and very big, very nice blueberries. Maybe have somebody peeing here a lot. So that's a good snack here. Oisa Ubon, Pulaitu looking blueberries. Puolukkaan lingonberries. Okay, now we are arriving to Wolf Cave, which have remainings possible 120,000 years ago, before the last ice age. Human living remainings here in Finland. And they put the cage here because there is a collapse danger, but let's see inside. But they have some trolley here. I don't know what they do with this. I think they make some excavations. And let's see about surrounding areas here. Oh, they make some kind of picnic table here. And here is this same sign as in a parking place, where you can read here again what happens here. You can barbecue sausage here. This kind of place. Wolf Cave. Going to see some high point here. Here's Snowy Mountains. Viewpoint Tower. This is a view in Pohjanmaa. This is a flat area, as you see. Some kind of windmill. Nearly only flat area. You see this stone formation here in the glacier happenings. This is quite up here, as you just see that the viewpoint tower. This is very near of that, and it starts to be very hot here. And you see, have stones everywhere. I follow you. Let's go back to the car. I hope it's in a safe place there. Okay, here have more stone formations everywhere here. It's not easy to walk. I don't know where the stones coming here, but somebody digging there and still have stones. We came to Kristiinan kaupunki, Kristiinastad, and here is some kind of cape to the ocean. We leave car parking there. I think it's just a couple of 100 meters to coast of ocean. Here should have some barbecue places. We can make some food here. Maybe some coffee and perhaps swimming if the water is not freezing cold like in Finland all the time. I like this ocean coast and mountains, rocks. Oisa Ubon get hungry. Now we are coming to ocean. This can be a very nice place to have some lunch. But there is wood and the seat. I think this is the perfect place for our picnic. Let's jumping here. Of course there have to be windmill ruining the landscape. Do you swimming here? Is here a good place to swimming somewhere?
Oh, I never swim. We come just here to have a walk. And
Okay. I asked from people and they say it's not good for swimming, but I don't know why not. Only you have to be careful with the rocks. Well, I don't know. Maybe possible swim. Nice view. For the one windmill, as you see there. One windmill. Hello.
Yo,
Oh, what you cooking now?
this mushroom.
Okay.
Chocolate.
Yeah.
We want to do inside yum yum.
Uh-huh. Or maybe you want. I can taste maybe if
Oh,
you
that's good.
this-
You can try. It's
Yeah.
very good.
I just went to swim. Water was very cold for me, but possible swim. So that is our meal. Today have a noodle soup and the coffee water is boiling there. and a very nice landscape here. Last looking, we don't forget anything. Someone forget her bikini here. Maybe it's a scar. But okay, we don't have fire here. Let's go back to the car. Let's see what about our car, because here are coming lots of people. But it's not full, not very full, this parking place, and I think it's okay. Everything fine here. I'll show you about Kristiinan kaupunki. This is a nice small town. Behind us, off we go, Kristiinan kaupunki. What is this Sikaranta camping? And now we are looking place. Yeah, we found place behind me there. We have a electric, I take car there, so I hope so we can connect there, because there was a different plug. I hope I can start it here, because voltage is starting to be a little bit low. We have about 12.3, something like that. Yeah. 12.2 degree. 12.1 they show now. So we're parking here, and where you put tent here. Near of the big road, so it's not very quiet, but never mind. And there is ocean. That's nice. It's okay.
So I think I want to do 10.
Yeah. Okay. Kick out this one if you want to sleep better.
Yeah, I try.
Yeah. There's a lots of 3 seats. I don't know what is this name. It's very hot all the time when you stop this. If you see the gasoline have evaporates there, and the steam come out from the crankcase. Moi! Siellä on semmoset erilaiset ne töpselit, niin sinne ei käy toi normaali, niin onko sulla jotain johtoja? Niin siis siellä on tämmönen, mutta sinne ei käy tämmönen. Joo, tää on varmasti se. Tää menee sinne ja sit mä saan tähän kiinni. Hyvä, mä palautan tästä. Hyvä, kiitos. Adapter cable, so we can charge there. Nice girl. Pleasant to help. 3 different and 9, and then we can connect here the anything else normal. So now it's connected here, and yeah, we have a 6 volt coming, now 12 volt and charging. So now it's anything fine. Tomorrow battery is full again. And... Mitä?
Mitä merkkiä nämä on?
Se on Cadillac 59.
Jaa, se on Cadillac.
Joo. Kyllä. Mistä päin herra on?
Vaasas.
Vaasasta. Joo. Kyllä tää on sellainen, että tää aina herättää mielenkiintoa, että tulee ihmiset juttelemaan. Se on ihan hauska kyllä.
Onko se alkuperä vai onko se muutettu aika paljon?
Ei ole kyllä mitään muutettu, että kaikki on pyritty pitää alkuperäisenä. Että itse asiassa mitkä ei ole alkuperäistä, niin on tämä jäähdyttäjä ja tämä kenno, niin kuin, että ne on, se kuuluisi olla kuparinen tuo.
Joo.
Ja sitten tää kenno kuuluisi olla rautainen itse asiassa. Niin, niin ne on alumiinisia nyt, että ne on niinku tarvike tommosia. Siis, ja onhan siinä paljon siis tarvike semmoista uutta osaa laitettu, mutta kaikki pitäisi olla niinku alkuperäisen mallisia. Että. Mulla on tässä kamera päällä, mä kato, meillä on YouTubessa kanava ja siellä. Niin
Ei oo mitään valmiita.
Niin.
Tosi hieno auto.
Joo, kiitos. Okay, here is that kind of system. They sell firewoods, €2 per bag. So then you can burn them, up to you. Because some other places they say it's firewoods are only for barbecue, not for burn for funny. But now if you have to pay money from them, you burn them, up to you. So now we have €2 bag for firewood. So we can go barbecue sausage there.
Yeah.
Okay. So we buy this bag of wood, €2. How many pieces have wood? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About 10 pieces of wood, and we have just 3 sausage to barbecue. So I don't know how economical this is. Cooking food for me, looking YouTube.
Yeah.
What do you look
My
there?
chair is special chair because I don't want to sit down very far.
Yeah, no problem. Now back to the car. Start to relax.
Greatness is never achieved suddenly.